How do I teach sight words effectively? Sight words often become stressful because they are taught like something children have to memorize. But the brain doesn't remember words very well through drilling or flashcards. It remembers words through meaningful and repeated exposure. When children see the same words again and again in stories, on charts, on labels, and during daily classroom routines, the brain starts recognizing that word automatically. There is no pressure. It just becomes familiar. So instead of asking children to learn sight words, let them live with the words. Point to words while reading a story. Label things in the classroom. Door, mat, box. Use the same words again and again in instructions. For example, sit on the mat. Put it in the box. Words like in, on, the, is become sight words very quickly when children see them everywhere and hear them used naturally. When words carry meaning and are part of daily life, memory happens on its own. Sight words are not memorized, they are recognized through experience.